So I welcome you all very warmly to this webinar on integration of high temperature heat pumps in Swiss industrial processes that we are having this morning. So by high temperature heat pumps, we mean machines that can provide heat over 100 degrees. Heat pumps have been going a long way since the very first concepts that date back several centuries now, up to the very recent developments. So we went from steam-driven heat pumps to steam-generating heat pumps, which is quite exciting. On the right side here, you see a very recent project that is due to start next year. You can see by the size of the persons here that it is huge, and this heat pump will supply 120 megawatt in capacity steam for a BASF factory in Germany. So as for Switzerland and its role in the heat pump history, it's actually had quite a long involvement in the development, in the manufacturing and installation of heat pumps. So this is quite an interesting historical way from the country. As for the project team, I wish not to present the speakers again. I have today with me Cordin, Pierre, and Danielle that have been already introduced. So the HTHP, as in high temperature heat pumps for Switzerland project, has several objectives, and mainly to support the deployments of these technologies in the Swiss industries. Provide information and awareness to most across the countries or beyond, as we have many people here from outside the borders. It also was an opportunity to take part in the IEA Annex 58, and so to relay the information that have been gathered by this group of a work group. So industrial partners are also an important part of the project. So you see Elsa and Cremo, which are have dairy factories, and Gustav Spies, which is in the meat business. And these all three companies have collaborated, provided data and access to their factories in order for us to have the information on which we could do technical economic evaluation and develop a tool also. So as for today's webinar, we are really happy to have more than 100 registrations coming from 26 countries, it seems. Exciting to see so much enthusiasm and interest in this very important and current topic. Here's the agenda for today. So we will be going in the first part through guidelines that have been set up for high temperature heat pumps integration in the industrial processes. And then that will be followed by the presentation of 3 case studies and their status. After a short break, we will be having a presentation of the web-based integration tool from the EPFL and a talk with the industrial partners. I won't keep you much longer, and I will leave the floor for Cordin. We'll be happy to have your presentation now. The floor is yours.